Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to gain followers quick and easily. So first of all, open an Instagram application. Now hit on this search icon, and here you can follow the famous celebrities and the people who are very famous in Instagram. Continue following more than 10 of them. So now if you go to your homepage and refresh your page, here you can see a lot of followers just started following you. So this is the quick and easy way to gain a lot of followers easily. So thank you for watching. I hope it helps you.